In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send out an email when tagged in ActiveCampaign. We're going to set up a simple automation so that whenever a specific tag is added to a contact, an email is sent to them automatically. This is really useful for things like lead magnets, onboarding sequences, or special offers that should go out based on a contact's behavior rather than you sending them manually each time. First, in your ActiveCampaign account, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Automations. This is where all of your automated workflows live. Once you're there, click on the button that says Create an Automation. ActiveCampaign will show you a few options and templates, but for this walkthrough, we want a clean slate, so choose Start from Scratch, then click Continue. Now we need to define how this automation begins. In other words, what should trigger it? You'll see a list of possible triggers. From that list, select Tag is added. This tells ActiveCampaign that whenever a particular tag is applied to a contact, this automation should start. Type in the exact tag name you want to use, making sure it matches the tag you're actually using elsewhere in your account. Once that's set, click Add. Start to confirm the trigger. With the trigger in place, we can now decide what happens next. You'll see a plus icon inside the automation builder. Click that plus sign, then choose Sending Options from the menu that appears. Under Sending Options, select Send an Email. This is the step that will actually send your message when the tag is added. At this point, ActiveCampaign will ask you to either use an existing email or create a new one. Choose Create a New Email. Give it an internal name that makes sense to you, something descriptive so you'll recognize it later. Then click Create. This internal name is just for your own organization. Your contacts will not see it. Now you'll be taken to the template selection screen. Here you can pick a layout or template that fits the type of message you want to send, or start with a simple, clean design. Customize your email content, subject line, and design until you're happy with it. When you're done designing, click Next, review the settings if prompted, and then click Finish to save the email into your automation. The final step is to make sure the automation is actually turned on. In the top right corner of the automation builder, you'll see a toggle. Switch it from inactive to active. Once that toggle is on, your automation is live, and any contact who gets that tag added will automatically receive the email you just created.